Hello everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cash out beans to your bank card from Bigo Live. Make sure to watch the whole video to learn how. Let's begin. First, open up Bigo Live on your mobile device. Tap on the Me icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on Wallet. Now go ahead and select Beans. Tap on Exchange Rewards. You must have 210 beans for the exchange process. If you do have 210 beans, tap Confirm to exchange your beans for rewards. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please click the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or thoughts, type them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Click the bell icon too so you'll know when we post a new video. We'll be back with another video soon. Thanks for watching.